way that it feels right.
The following video is a comment, review, commentary, criticism of My Little Pony Friendship is Magic. All rights goes to Lauren Faust, Discovery Family, and Hasbro. Please support the official release.
Do you know you are my very best friends? There you go, Mr. Mouse.
Where does Fluttershy get a wheelchair that small? And I hope Fluttershy is a registered physician. Why does this look familiar? Oh yeah, that's right.
I'm late for a very important date.
What is Fluttershy doing with her friend's dresses? A couple minutes ago, the door was bare and there was nothing on there, and the door was also slightly lighter red, but now all of a sudden there's door hinges and a handle, and it's slightly darker now. And there's also a lock on it. And did Angel Bunny just lock Fluttershy out of the house? Skip.
So, what do I have to do to get to be one of the princess's royal guards anyway?
This may sound sexist, but it seems like only white male stallions are able to be the royal guards.
Get back from the Queen's Guard!
This is not evenly cooked because Spike only cooked the top of it. Mrs. Cake all of a sudden has her husband's cutie mark. I guess she realizes that she had her husband's cutie mark.
I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean, of course she will.
That's Twilight for you, being a nervous wreck. I think some pony's up.
Don't touch me! Watch the dress! Careful! You're gonna spill that on me!
This is a side of rarity I didn't know existed. Pinky, you shouldn't act this way. Royalty is here. This is not how chocolate works.
You gonna eat that?
Kinda weird to hear Mrs. Cake gasp like Pinkie Pie when it's not coming from Pinkie Pie.
Empty teacup at 4 o'clock!
I see it, honey bun.
And which way is 4 o'clock in Equestria? Wait a minute. If Princess Celestia is not levitating this cup, then who is? Somehow Mrs. Cake is pouring the tea without even tilting it.
Gotcha.
Princess Celestia the prankster, every pony.
I'm afraid I have to cut the party short.
Can't spit in front of royalty. There's no way that Applejack should be able to balance these pastries on her nose. And now the door hinges and the handle and the door lock disappeared.
I'm sure the princess will appreciate the help.
I'm pretty sure Princess Celestia would appreciate it if you asked first before you took Philomena. This is not how thermometers work.
Here you go, Philomena. This will fix you right up.
Are you sure? A pill that big looks like it might kill her.
Always works.
The way you said that made it sound like you do this all the time. What does Philomena think she is? An owl? And oh yeah, this soup is defying the laws of gravity. The My Little Pony theme song breaks the fourth wall.
Warm bath?
And now the door hinges and the handle switches sides.
Hi, Fluttershy. I just wanted to drop...
Oh, come right in.
She doesn't belong to you! I had to do something! Without telling any pony? Without asking permission?
Twilight would be good at cartoon scenes. Twilight was near the window, then all of a sudden moves to another position. Recycled dungeon from Pony and a Dog Show. Nightmare fuel. There's no way Twilight would be able to pick up the pill without using magic. So who left the door open so Philomena can escape? Discount Yakety Sax. Twilight and Fluttershy are easily fooled because, you know, for comedic reasons. Remember kids, death is funny.
I don't understand. What is that thing? What happened to Philomena?
This is Philomena. She's quite a sight, as I said, but nothing unusual for a phoenix.
A phoenix?
A phoenix is a majestic and magical bird. While it appears healthy and happy most of the time, every so often it must renew itself by shedding all of its feathers and bursting into flame. It then rises from the ashes, fresh as a daisy. All just a normal part of the life cycle of a phoenix.
So I think this is how it went. After Twilight left Princess Celestia to move to Ponyville, I guess Princess Celestia got Philomena, but with all the studying that Twilight does, you think Twilight would know what a phoenix is.
Of course not, my little pony.
Oh wait, it's the end of the episode.
Birds are not aggressive creatures, miss.